Hello everybody! Today we're gonna make homemade yogurt as I promised you before in the chicken mix video. You can follow it from here or there. Where? Here, there. It's easy to make, really simple, and you should have every time in your house to make many kinds of cold or hot food. I will give you more recipe for that in next videos, but right now we are gonna focus on how to make yogurt. I have very simple ingredients here, milk and yogurt. This yogurt is that I made before at home, so I made like little jars like that. It's simple. If you want to eat at home, this is like really good one portion yogurt. You can use little jars like that. So I want to give you some information about milks. This milk is 10% fat milk. I purchased from Publix market. I tried many times. Some brands of milks are in the market has like 2%, 3% or 4% fat in it, but this one is 10%. As much as fat in it, it's gonna be best milk for yogurt. If you can find raw, unprocessed milk from the cow to your kitchen, that is gonna be best for yogurt. There's like P brand on it, you can find in Publix market.
Daddy, I want this.
What is that? Squash. Oh yeah. Okay, I promise you I will make squash dessert for you, special, okay? I promise you too, I'm gonna make for Toprak, my son, little cutie son. And we're gonna make dessert with the squash. If you're wondering about something about pumpkin, with the pumpkin or squash, what can I do with squash? Ask me and I will shoot video for you. Alright guys, if you are ready, let's get started and make homemade yogurt. I have 1 gallon milk and I will put into the pot. This pot is good for 1 gallon. So I'm gonna boil it. This milk is pasteurized and homogenized. You don't need exactly boil it, so 80 degrees is gonna be okay. And then we're gonna wait to reduce it like 40 degree. So I'm talking about Celsius, but I will give you exact Fahrenheit and Celsius separately in the screen. So if you can find unprocessed raw milk, you need to boil it. So we're gonna see the foam comes on the top and we will understand it's ready. All right guys, see how it's bubbling? So it means almost ready. We're gonna wait a little more. Foam is gonna come on the top and it will be ready. You can use your little finger, like you're gonna put in it after cool down, not when it's boiling. Make sure your hand is clean. Put your little finger in it, and if you can stay like 6 seconds, it will be okay. If you can't and feel the burn, just wait a little more. Alright guys, I heated enough, so I will put to different container to wait cool down. So because my pot is really hot, so it's gonna be easy to reduce heat. You can wait with same pot, but it's really hot, it will take little more time. Here my little cup, like it is almost like 1 cup, like coffee cup like that. It doesn't matter actually how much, or 2-3 tablespoons. I'm gonna use all of them. Actually, I want to give you some information about the yogurt. If you don't have homemade yogurt in your home, I used before many brands of yogurt to make homemade yogurt, but many of them didn't work. I used two brands is better, but not exactly perfect, but it's better. You can use Chobani plain yogurt and Danone plain yogurt. First time when you made, it's gonna be like slimy, but don't worry, it's edible. You can use it, you can eat it. You will use that yogurt you made second time and third time. It's gonna be better and better and better. You need to put every time to make yogurt next time separate. Don't eat it, just keep it, save it, and then use it to make yogurt next time. Every time when I made yogurt, I'm keeping like this much yogurt separate, and when I made next time, I'm using that last one I made yogurt. Now I will show you, while we're waiting to cool down my milk, I will show you how do you prepare the yogurt to add in it. Now I will show you how I'm gonna prepare my yogurt to add in it. I will put first different bowl, and then I'm gonna stir very well. While I'm doing that, when you put this yogurt into your milk, these particles collapse to the bottom. I don't want that. That's why I'll stir them pretty well, and I will make sure it's gonna spread everywhere like homogeneous. After my milk cool down enough, I'm gonna put little bit milk in it, and I will make little more juicy, and I will add in it. I think it's ready, so I'm gonna check right now. I wash my hand, make sure your hand is clean. So I will try like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's ready. In the 6, I felt a little bit burn, but it's okay. So this is ready. First of all, I will put a little bit milk in my yogurt, and I'll stir it well. You can use whisk or spoon, doesn't matter. And then I will add into my milk. Here we go. Stir it very well. Make sure it's gonna mix everywhere equally. Yeah. Now it's ready. I'm gonna put it into the jars. You need to be fast, so we don't want to get colder. All right, now I'll cover them with a clean towel, like that, and then I will put it into the oven, and I will turn on oven light, just oven light, not oven. Now I turned on my oven light. I will put it into the oven, and I will wait 8 hours. All right guys, everything ready right now. So we will wait like maybe 8 hours. I need to keep them warm. So that's why I put them in the oven, and I turned on oven light. Oven light's giving some heat in it. So this is little important point. If you don't have oven, don't worry. You need to cover with the clean towel very well, bottom, around, and on the top finally. So this is gonna work too. We need to keep them like couple hours, same temperature, and let the milk transform to the yogurt. I'm usually making nighttime, and after I'm waiting until morning. So after I wake up, I put into the fridge without seal the lids. I will wait until morning and I will take them off. It's gonna be like a little bit juicy, not exactly thick, little bit soft. And then I will put it into the fridge and we will wait like 4 more hours. It will be exactly ready. Yes, our yogurts are going to fridge and we're gonna wait 2 or 4 hours to get really cool down. I won't seal the lids, so I'm gonna seal the lids after 4 hours and then our yogurt is ready. Alright guys, our yogurt is ready. I put into the fridge, so I will wait 4 hours. It's gonna be ready. That delicious yogurt is pretty good. You can use every time for your foods. Please don't forget like, subscribe and share with your friends. Until next video, you have a great day.